So this is the Sametop handlebar seat post pole mount that I was just sent. They did supply this to me free. They paid for shipping and all that stuff, but they have not told me what to say. So we'll see. This is what was in the box, and it looks really well built. Let me get this out of here a second. All right, came out of the box all right. Yeah, that's pretty wild. So let's see. This is the lock for that. So, okay, so they give you an extra one of these that has a tighter diameter. So that's cool. So that's going to be helpful for what I'm thinking about using this for, actually. So, because while you can use this for a bike, I'm actually thinking about using it for mic stands and other types of bars. So let's see, what does this do here? That just tightens this, I guess. That tightens this or changes the orientation of the actual camera. So that's what that's for. So yeah, this is really cool. It's well built, and then of course they give you the GoPro screw for that. So we'll give it a shot. I have to put air in my bike's tires, so it might be a minute till I get that done, but I definitely want to try this in a couple other contexts, so we'll see.